this dog. Why am I doing this? It's a joke. It's a joke. I love my dog. He was the best thing ever. I am here in Delicatesen Tattoo in A Coruña, and I am getting a tattoo done. I'm really excited. I mean, I'm not, because it's going to hurt so much. Anyone who tells you that tattoos don't hurt, they are lying. They hurt, but you know, the pain is worth it. And I've just seen the final design. I'm really happy with it. This was my original design. This is a photocopy, so it's a bit like smudged. And this is the final design, and it's just been simplified and actually made into a tattoo rather than a drawing. Oh my god, nearly fell over. I'm really out of the camera. He doesn't want to be in.
I don't have to sit like this for
So this is the design on my arm. It's gonna hurt like a what's it, but I don't care. It's gonna be really nice when I got it done. So yeah, I think I'm ready to go. Wish me luck. Right, place your bets down. How long will it take me to start crying? I reckon it's gonna be about 12 seconds. You got some chloroform, just knock me out. I always forget that it doesn't hurt at first. Yeah, it's not nearly as painful as I remember it being. I think it's like remembering the last half hour when I was like, you bitch, I hate you. If I start insulting your entire family tree, I'm really sorry. I'll stay away from your mother, I won't say anything about that. But all of the best Spanish insults involve mothers. Whose back is long enough to get that dragon tattoo?
Need like a 7-foot person to do it.
No, it's for 7 people, so they can all stand next to each other.
They will take their tops off with the football.
Oh, I miss crying. I'm crying because my dog not pain. Are we nearly there yet?
Just round the next corner.
There's a wolf in a nun's hat. Do you reckon they put the most confusing tattoo designs in front of the chair so that I can stare at that instead of the blank wall? It's literally taking everything in my power not to look and see how far through he is. I know if I look, he'll have done one line and I won't be able to cope with that. Oh, that hurts! And he knows exactly which bit's going to hurt. How does he know?
It's much better reading.
I think it's actually you've done a long ass line. Yeah. It's really worrying me that my arm hasn't turned yet, which makes me think he's still on the tip of the wing. I love tattoo artwork when it's drawn because I love trying to work out what I'm seeing. Like, so there, right next to you, there's a dude with tattooed arms. Is the tattoo the arms or the dude? Does somebody have that on their back? Like, I need to know. I need answers.
Buen tatu, ¿no?
Gracias.
Lo diseñó ella.
Sí.
I'm going to count the hairs on his face. It's Diego, isn't it? Your name?
Yeah.
There you go. Thought so. It's the name of the saber-toothed lion from Ice Age. Do you know my first guilty like secret crush was on Diego, the saber-toothed lion from Lion King. I wanted. Yeah, I was like, he would take care of my babies. He would, you know, go out and provide the food. He's also sexy AF. Like, you know, you're enjoying this, aren't you, you sadist?
Yeah, we know.
I nearly saw it out the corner of my eye, but I didn't see it. It's okay. It's okay. This so weird. Like, imagine growing up and realising you're good at art, and then deciding that instead of drawing on paper, you're going to draw on people that shout at you and move and squeal and bleed. Paying you £200 to cause me pain, and I'm going to thank you at the end. I hope for your sake that you're nearly done, because the things that I say are going to make less sense and be more irritating the longer we go. Oh, it hurts like a little bitch. Oh, you've not done as much as I thought you had. Oh, God.
I did say.
Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Look, it's flying. When I get old and I've got bingo wings, they'll actually fly. Oh, no, thank you. I don't want this bit of the tattoo.
Just leave that part back.
I want my dog as well. Here we go.
Deep breath.
My dog. Oh, not a bra. So we done yet? Is that it? We done?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm so excited. That's cold. That's so cold.
Looks really good.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna go and look in the mirror. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
It's it.
Look at little piggies, they look so angry.
It's out. Go ahead, see.
That's it. It's done. It hurt so much, especially towards the end there, but you know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger and all that. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. It's so cute. Look at those little piggies. No, it's not quite. Oh, poor little Barley. It's so pretty. It's so nicely done as well. Like, look at those crisp lines.
Yeah.
And it matches my dragonfly really nicely. It's not quite as busy, there's not quite as much going on, but it's still like matches it really nicely. I am talking to the video, not you. Thank you for your input though. I appreciate it. But yeah, no, it's gorgeous. It's really, really nice. I didn't realise, I knew that there was a tattoo parlour here, but I didn't realise it's so close to this corner where I play saxophone on that corner. Yeah, you probably heard me play while you're trying to tattoo. You're trying to work and all you can hear.
I hear you one day when I walk, when we decided with my sons. Yeah. It's okay, huh?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Maybe here.
Oh no, don't take me. Oh no.
Yeah, that's a little bit. That's okay.
Right on my head. Nice, thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank
Yeah, I was looking at this like, yeah, it looks great. Yeah, no, that's really good. Thank you very much for your help.
Thanks to you.
Oh, good.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.
Right.
You
Let's go and get drunk.
you want this?
Right, done. It's all covered up, it's all safe. Now I'm going to go home and eat my own body weight in roast chicken and drink maybe 2 bottles of wine. It's been an emotional roller coaster. I'm happy though. I'm really, really happy with it. Diego did an amazing job. I definitely recommend Delicatesen Tattoo in A Coruña if you ever are here and wanting a tattoo. He was really lovely. He was really kind to me. He knew exactly how much pain I was in. He knew how much longer he could go on the lines before he needed to give me a break. Like he was absolutely perfect. So yeah, definitely gonna get my next tattoo here as well. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go get a little bit drunk, eat some roast chicken. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see y'all later. Bye.